These are 15 really clever innovations. Number 15, the new Apple Maps. Apple Maps will receive a number of upgrades that will bring more detailed maps, improvements for transit riders, AR experiences, more accurate navigation and other changes to the platform. The map even includes new details for commercial districts, marinas, buildings, and more. Apple has also added things like elevation, new road colors and labels, as well as hundreds of custom-designed landmarks. For drivers, Apple added new road details to the map, so it can help drivers as they move throughout a city to better see and understand important things like turn lanes, flyovers, medians, bus and taxi lanes and other things. Number 14, NextMind Brain Sensing Wearable. NextMind is a brain-computer interface that translates signals from the visual cortex into digital commands. When seeing, the user's eyes project an image to the visual cortex. The NextMind device decodes the object user selected and send the information to a computer in real time, allowing the user to control digital devices directly with their brain. Number 13, SwitchBot. SwitchBot is an automatic smart button pusher which works with just about any rocker switch and button of any appliance. Users can control their SwitchBot remotely from anywhere and using voice control. The built-in timers can also be scheduled to run without the phone nearby, so lights or home appliances can be turned on or off automatically even when they are away. Number 12, Nike Vaporfly Running Shoes. The Vaporfly has a new technological composition that has revolutionized long-distance running. Studies have shown that these shoes can improve run times up to 4.2%. The main innovation lies in the middle of the foam where there is a full-length carbon fiber plate providing up to 85% energy return. The performance of the shoes is so good that many people actually claims that wearing them was a form of technology doping and that they provided athletes an unfair advantage. Number 11, MoveFlex Conveyor. MoveFlex is a conveyor which can expand, retract, turn and flex according to the site layout, and are widely used in locations which require regular layout changes. It can also be used to facilitate the loading and unloading of trucks and containers. It does not require installation or electrical energy for operation. Number 10. Zoox. Zoox is an on-demand autonomous ride-hailing which aims to reinvent personal transportation. The company has applied the latest techniques in automotive and robotics to build a symmetrical, bidirectional battery electric vehicle that solves for the unique challenges of autonomous mobility. To do this, Zoox autonomous vehicles use a location and mapping system in order to optimally analyze their environment. These systems are combined with LiDAR, radar, cameras and other physical sensors that allow the driving software to make the best decisions. Zoox provides mobility as a service in dense urban environments with their fleet of self-driving robotaxi. Number 9, Arlo Doorbell. With Arlo, users can always stay connected to their home from anywhere with live video and audio. Users receive instant alerts on their phone when motion is detected. The doorbell is 100% wire-free, powered by rechargeable batteries. It has incredible functions like HD video camera, night vision, motion and audio detection alerts, sirens, geofencing and scheduling. Pressing the doorbell, guests can also make phone calls to the user's phone directly. Number 8, Switch-A-Bike Conversion Kit. Switch is the smallest and lightest e-bike conversion kit on the market. It is easy to install and works with most bikes, including mountain bikes, road bikes, and hybrid bikes. Switch compact motor produces up to 40 Nm of torque. It is able to assist an average adult up a steep 30% incline. The lithium-ion power pack is removable from the handlebar mount for storage and safety. Converted bikes can reach up to 32 km/h in top speed and 50 km in range. Number 7, EHang 216. EHang is a manufacturer of autonomous vertical takeoff and landing aerial vehicle, designed to address the urban transport needs by providing on-demand air taxi services. The Tu-16 model is a low-altitude, high-power, self-driving aircraft made using carbon composite material and metals to achieve the required strength-to-weight ratio. It can accommodate up to 2 passengers with sufficient leg room and baggage space. Its fuselage is supported by rigid skid-type landing gear, which ensures sufficient clearance between the ground and the rotors. The aircraft can perform fully autonomous flight using the onboard Advanced Flight Control System, Intelligent Navigation System, and a GPS. Number 6. HoloLens 2. HoloLens 2 offers the most comfortable and immersive mixed reality experience available. User can touch, grasp, and move holograms in ways that feel really natural. Virtual objects respond a lot like real objects, owing to HoloLens' advanced sensors and optics, and holographic processing that melds seamlessly with its environment. These holograms can be used to display information, blend with the real world, or even simulate a virtual world. With HoloLens 2, users can quickly learn complex tasks and collaborate in the moment from anywhere. Number 5. Snoop. The Snoop is a smart bassinet which uses technology to soothe the baby back to sleep in just under 30 seconds, through a combination of white noise and adaptive rocking. In the bassinet there are multiple microphones with advanced audio processing to precisely detect the source of sound. This is then used to optimize the speed of the rocking drivetrain. The bassinet also plays white noise sound to calm crying or to enhance sleep. Number 4. Apple Watch. The latest Series 6 Apple Watch delivers breakthrough wellness and fitness capabilities. It can measure oxygen saturation of the user's blood, helping them understand the amount of oxygen delivered to their body. The watch is also capable of generating ECG similar to a single-lead electrocardiogram, providing critical health data for users and their doctors. The Sleep app also helps user to establish regular bedtime routine and keep track of their sleep trends. The watch also detects if the user has taken a hard fall or having abnormal heart rates, and if the user stays immobile for a minute after the detection, it will automatically call emergency services. Number 3. Waymo. The Waymo Drivers is the most experienced driver in the world. The experience has built up over its 20 million miles of real-world driving and 20 billion miles in simulation, to anticipate what other road users might do. Its perception system takes complex data, gathered from its advanced suite of sensors, and deciphers what's around it through technology like machine learning, from pedestrians to cyclists, vehicles to construction. Like human, it also responds to signs and signals, like traffic light colors and temporary stop signs. This is the future of self-driving cars. Number 2. Boston Dynamics Spot. Spot is a sophisticated and agile mobile robot that navigates the toughest terrain with unprecedented mobility, allowing user to automate routine inspection tasks and data capture safely, accurately, and frequently. It can map its environment, sense, and avoid obstacles. It even boasts the dexterity to climb stairs and open doors. It is deployed in construction, oil and gas, mining, radiation-dense areas, and hazardous situations to remotely carry out complex tasks. Number 1. Impossible Foods. Impossible Food develops plant-based substitutes for meat products. To produce heme protein from non-animal sources, Impossible Foods selected the leg hemoglobin molecule found naturally in the roots of soy plants. To make it in large quantities, the company's scientists genetically engineered a yeast and used a fermentation process. To replicate the fat in hamburgers made from cows, Impossible Foods used flecks of semi-dried coconut oil, which were mixed with ground textured wheat and potato protein. The result is a plant-based burger that looks like, tastes like, and has the same texture as beef. By replacing animal products, consumers have enormous power to spare land for biodiversity and carbon capture, halt greenhouse gas emissions at the source, and alleviate demand on fresh water needed for healthy ecosystems. Do you have better ideas or innovations you'd like to share with us? Let us know in the comments section.
This video is brought to you by BOE.